Hello, this is Chris, host of Brilliant RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, 2025. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new 2026 Grand Design Solitude 380FL fifth wheel. We're showing the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. I'll tell you what, beautiful day today. Low 50s, slight breeze, but I tell you what, it's gonna get ugly. We're gonna get snow. It's gonna be piled up to right about there. You can have this thing, bring it down south where it's nice and warm. Come see us when the snow goes away. 380FL has been a staple in the Solitude line for quite a while. We've sold many of these. Front living rooms, beautiful front cap with that window incorporated, almost like a windshield right incorporated into that cap. This one is optioned out with generator prep, so you can always add one of those if you want, otherwise use it for storage. Obviously, we're talking about the hydraulic reservoir there for the couple of the slides and for the 6-point auto leveling. Walk around this way first. Let's confuse everybody. Of course, all laminated fiberglass exterior, aluminum frame, heated holding tanks. Here's your pad here for your auto leveling. Docking station is right here. Water filtration system. Storage that goes through to the other side there. On-demand water heater. There's your freshwater drain there. You have some stale water. This is one of the best parts about the 380FL. Look at this storage. Goodness gracious, if you're full timing it or going down south for the winter, or if you have guests you just don't like, you want to hide in here, look at that big pull-out slide out tray. Storage on both sides. They give you the rubber flooring there so you can get it wet if you had to, or if you didn't want to. It's still going to hold up better than fabric. Full walk-on roof, backup camera prepped. 2 LED lit power awnings, come on about 8 feet. That same welded aluminum framing there is in the walls as well. There's a TV hookup here in case you want to put a TV outside underneath the awning and watch the game. Outside speakers there for blaring your Tom Petty at the campground. So, I know you can't see them, but there's 1, 2, 3 ACs up there. One of them has a heat pump. There's also an extra 330 watts of solar up there, so 2 330 watt solar panels to trickle charge those batteries. Down here is going to be an LP quick connect in case you want to bring along your favorite grill. Just tie into the propane. There's 2 30-pound propane tanks right there, one on each side. We fill those. We put a brand new Interstate Deep Cycle 27 series battery on board, and we give you a complete orientation on this rig. That's all part of our pricing. We're 70 years family owned this year. No corporate hidden fees or playing any games, and that's worth something. Nice fold up stairs, go right up into the doorway. Got your grab handle that folds all the way down to here. Fully laminated sidewalls. Not every manufacturer does that. Sure to ask when you're doing your shopping. It's worth something. Look how nice and bright in here. New fixtures. Got some accent lighting there. We're talking solid surface countertops, huge 12-volt refrigerator, big oven. You can actually put a turkey in there. We got Thanksgiving coming, guys. Got to think about that, whether you're here in Minnesota or down south. 4-burner range, microwave that's not way up in the air. Pull-out drawers, motion sensor lighting. Look, you can even put something in here and plug it in and hide it. Just those shelves there if you want. Here's for those who aren't very good cooks. You got a bathroom right off the bathroom in case you have an emergency from over here to right here. Okay, all joking aside, that's for guests in case you got someone up there so they don't have to walk through your bedroom to get to the master bath. Does have a little sink and medicine cabinet. Turn around here, we've got a prep station. All of your slide switches, monitor panel, everything is right here in one spot. There's also an inverter on board. Here's your switch right there. Central vacuum. Hose, and here's where you sweep. Here's that beautiful area here. Theater seating. Oh, perfect. These both fold onto the couch, or sorry, fold into beds in case you have extra sleeping. You can use this as a makeshift second bedroom. Curtains right there. Divide that off. Have some guests stay up here when you're entertaining, or if you have grandkids, kids. But then when they're gone, you've got this huge area for yourself. But the nice part is, if they're up here and this curtain's pulled across, you can get up in the morning, have your coffee, sit there and have a bowl of cereal, and then go out and never bug whoever's going to be right here. Fireplace puts out like 5,000 BTUs of heat. It's nice if you're plugged into the campground. You have speakers up here. TV comes up right up from behind that fireplace. But if you want to look out instead, you can certainly do that. This does have the Rockford Fosgate system in it. That's the upgrade. These do slide open for some hidden storage. You can hide your chocolate in there. Plug in your cell phone if you want. These new shades are now incorporated right into the window frames. Look at that. Oh, how nice is that? This too will flip up from this side for keys, cell phones, whatever you want to throw in there. Just take a walk up into the master bed. Well, as you're walking in, look at this. Hanging storage there. You put storage everywhere. I mean, this is a house on wheels, guys, so you're never complaining about having too much storage. In my 24 years here, I never had someone said, you know what, I hated my camper because it had too much storage. Never. Never will be said. You might not need it, but you'll never complain about it. King bed suite, windows on both sides of the beds that open up for cross ventilation if you don't want to use this air right here. This bed's going to flip up. 2 more folding chairs for right down there in case you have guests. More hidden storage. More storage. More storage. CPAP, tables, either side, whatever you want to put there. Bedroom TV, hers and hers closets. More storage here. More storage there. Just added clothes hamper. Perfect. Look at this. More stuff there. Look at this master bathroom. Ooh. His and her sinks. Huge. Mirror there, more storage here, porcelain toilet there. Also porcelain toilet back in that. They don't skimp or cheap up on that. Even solid surface counters in the bathroom, guys. It is a washer dryer prepped. And if you don't want to monkey with a washer dryer, once again, what do we have? More storage. Huge shower. Actual glass doors. A seat so the ladies can shave their legs. Skylight, which I'll show you here. So, I'm just over 6'2". I'm certainly not coming with you, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. Plenty of space to dry off or get changed. There's the control for the on-demand water heater. Once again, if you can't live in this or put this on a campground to be your cabin, boy, there's a problem. But what's so nice is for those grandparents that say, listen, I need some bunks for my grandkids when they come. Just use that. Don't designate an area just for the grandkids. Granted, you can do whatever you want with your money. This is so nice because once they don't come for that weekend or aren't with you, you have all that area up there. It's just perfect. One of my favorite Grand Design layouts. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Like I said, I've been here over 24 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. I'm just here to help, not to push you to do anything you don't want to do. I just want to get you camping, earn your home on wheels. If you're interested at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-225-8355. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that each time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.